In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to remove a team member or admin from ManyChat. Whether you're managing a small team or a larger organization, keeping your ManyChat account up to date with the right team members is crucial for maintaining security and efficiency. So let's walk through this process together, step by step. First, you'll want to navigate to the ManyChat dashboard. Open up ManyChat in your favorite web browser, and once you're logged in, head straight to the Home tab. It's like your central hub where you'll find all the main controls. This is where you can easily access the features you need to manage your account. Once you're on the Home tab, your next destination is the Settings section. To get there, look for the Team Members tab. This section is specifically designed for managing who has access to your ManyChat account. By clicking on Team Members, you'll be taken to a list of everyone currently involved with your ManyChat account. Now that you've reached the list of team members, it's time to make your adjustments. Find the team member or admin that you need to remove from your list. Beside their name, you should see an option labeled Edit. This button is your gateway to modifying their access settings, so go ahead and click on Edit to proceed with the removal process. After clicking Edit, another option will appear, Remove. This is the crucial step where you'll be able to finalize the removal. Clicking this will effectively remove the selected team member or admin from your ManyChat account. But before you click away, just take a moment to ensure you are removing the right person. Removing a team member is a significant change, and you want to make sure that it aligns with your organizational needs and goals. There you have it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully removed a team member or admin from your ManyChat account. It's a straightforward process, but it's always good to be attentive to detail to maintain the integrity of your account. If you ever need to revisit this process or add new team members, you now know where to go and what to do. Managing and updating your team is an ongoing task, so keep this guide handy for future reference. It's all part of keeping your ManyChat operations smooth and seamless. Thanks for watching, and happy managing!